Hi, I'm Susan and I'm your host for Susan's Edible Garden and Permaculture Design. I'm building my channel so I can share my permaculture with you. You'll find videos on a variety of subjects that can help you reduce and hopefully eliminate your carbon footprint. Some of my favorite topics include vegetable gardening, vermicomposting, water harvesting, and natural building. A permaculture journey is about taking your next best step. Pick a task and then develop skills to become more sustainable. Simple collective actions have great power to keep our planet healthy. Look, we all want to envision a future where children have a beautiful and secure home. So let's engage in meaningful work that conserves resources by growing and crafting products for our families and local economies. I hope my videos inspire you to make a dramatic and exciting shift in whatever space and time that you have. The important work you do will support people, wildlife, and our connected habitat. Please ask questions and leave comments, and I'd be honored if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.